Welcome to Financify. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to buy Ethereum using the Kraken app on your mobile device. Let's get started. First, open the Kraken app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Don't forget to complete any two-factor authentication if prompted. Once logged in, tap the Buy Crypto or Buy button. This will take you to the purchase options. In the search bar, type Ethereum or ETH and select it from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Next, enter the amount you would like to spend in your preferred currency. For example, USD EUR. The app will automatically calculate how much Ethereum you will receive. Then, choose your payment method. Options may include linking a bank account, using a debit card, or any other method available in your region. Before confirming, review the details of your transaction. Check the amount of Ethereum, the fees, and the payment method to ensure everything looks good. Once you are ready, tap Buy Now. To complete the transaction, you may be asked to authenticate the payment depending on your selected method. Finally, go to the Wallet tab in the app to confirm that your Ethereum has been added to your balance. And that's it. You have successfully purchased Ethereum on Kraken using your mobile. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Financify, and hit the bell icon for more quick crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.